In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Dropdown fields in 2023. If you're new to Docusign or just looking to optimize the way you set up documents for signing, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore each step in detail to ensure you can seamlessly integrate drop-down fields into your documents. First, we're going to navigate to the Docusign homepage, which is the top provider of electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. This is our starting point, and once you're at docusign.com, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the login button. Whether you're accessing Docusign for personal use or through your organization, make sure to have your login credentials handy. This step will take you directly into your Docusign account, ready to create or manage documents. Next, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is essentially the command center for everything you need to do. It's where you can begin setting up new documents, view in-progress agreements, and more. From the homepage, the next step is to go deeper into the interface by selecting the specific area named Home within the application. This might seem repetitive, but this ensures you're in the right place to start selecting templates or creating a new document. At this point, you will want to focus on selecting a template for your document. Templates in Docusign are incredibly useful. They can save you time and ensure consistency across multiple documents that need to be signed. Once you've chosen a template or decided to work from scratch, the following move is to add all the necessary details. This includes filling in any fields relevant to your document's needs like names, dates, or any particular notes that will guide the signers. After filling in these details, you'll click on the Next button to proceed to the area where you add fields to your document. Now comes the part specific to our focus today, adding a drop-down field. Drop-down fields are an excellent way to manage choices in a document, making the selection process straightforward for the signers. From the field options, find the drop-down feature and click on it. This will automatically add a drop-down menu option to your document. Now that you've added this feature, you can customize it to fit your needs. Input the different choices you want available in the drop-down, and order them based on how you want them to appear. Customizing these options appropriately means that the signer will have a structured and easy to follow selection process, minimizing both confusion and error. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated drop-down fields into your Docusign process, enhancing functionality and user experience. Keep practicing these steps, and in no time, you'll boost your efficiency with Docusign significantly. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy signing.